I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking chapter 2 of recently launched Word 2022 course. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. I will help you in your complete course. I will handle your complete course. Please hire me for your course. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. I will do your all simulation, all exam, midterm, final and complete course. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Okay, first we will see the title of assignment. Here is the title of assignment: XP22 Word Chapter 2 ML2 Dentist. You can see this title of assignment first, and here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Question 1 is that start Word, download and open the file name XP22 Word Chapter 2 ML2 Dentist. Basically in this question we will have to download Word file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. Okay, now I am gonna showing my file that's I have downloaded from my Pearson portal. You can see this file. You can easily download from your portal. Now moving on next question. Here is non-printing characters. Okay. Now moving on question number 2. Apply justify alignment to body paragraphs beginning with on behalf and ending with September 12. Okay. You can see this question first, then I will apply on my Word file. Question is that apply justify alignment to body paragraph beginning with on behalf and ending with September 12. Okay. Now moving on question number 3. In question number 3, select the paragraph mark under first body paragraph and create a bullet list. Selecting a square field bullet, type the following atom in the bulleted list. Do not press enter and at the end of the list. Finding hidden toothbrush in the dental office. Participating in the dental crossword puzzle challenge. Writing a convincing letter to the tooth fairy. Digging through the dental thesaurus chest. Okay. Okay, first we select the paragraph mark under the first body paragraph. Under the first body paragraph, then we will go to the bulleted library and then we will apply this. Okay. Square filled bullets. Then type the following atom in the bulleted list. Do not press enter. We will copy this and then we will paste in the bulleted list. Okay. We will copy and simply paste here. We will type here finding hidden toothbrushes in the dental office. Toothbrush in the dental office. Participating in the dental in the dental office, and then participating in the dental crossword puzzle challenge. Second is participating in the crossword, in the dental crossword puzzle challenge. Okay, now writing a convincing letter to the tooth fairy. Convincing letter to the tooth fairy. Tooth fairy. Okay, the last is that digging through the dental treasure chest. Digging through the dental treasure chest. Okay, now we will tap here, digging through the dental treasure chest. Okay, you can see here treasure chest, CHEST. I have done this question. Now moving on question number 4. I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 4. The question number 4 is that select text from solution. Dear Wasik, through the last paragraph that end with seeing you are September 12, select paragraph spacing after of 12 point. Remove the paragraph mark after the Dear Wasik paragraph. Okay, first we will select text from the solution Dear Wasik through the last paragraph with end with seeing you are September 12. We will select this paragraph. Then text from the solution Dear. Text from the solution Dear. Where is text from the solution Dear? Dear, we will copy this and then we will search this. Go to the font and then we will search here, navigation pane. Here is Dear Usiok. Okay, ending with September 12. Okay, we will select this text. You can see here I am selecting this text. Now ending with September 12. Select paragraph spacing after 12 point. We will go to the paragraph. We will select this first and then we will go to the paragraph group and then go to the spacing is after 12 point. Press OK. This is done now. Simply go to the paragraph and then select. Remove the paragraph mark after the Dear Wasik paragraph. Now we will remove the paragraph mark. Okay, simply we will remove this paragraph mark. Okay. Now moving on question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 5. We will remove this paragraph mark. Okay, I have done 4 questions so far. Now moving on, question number 5. This question is 10 points. 10 points. Select the initialized lines of text that give date, time, and location of the meeting. Remove the italics. Do not deselect the text and then complete the following. Increase left and right indents to 1.25 and select paragraph spacing after of 0 point. Apply a double line box border with the color purple accent 4 and line width of 3/4 points. Okay, then shade selected text with purple accent 4 letter 40% shading color. Then the last, delete the extra tab formatting mark to the left of the lines containing September 4 2024 4 p.m. and doctors friendly pediatric dentistry office to align them with. Okay, first is that select the initialized line of text that give date, times, and location of the meeting. We will select this initialized line. Date, time. Okay, you can see we will select here text and then remove the italics. Do not deselect the text. We will remove the italic and then complete the following. Simply click on italic, then italic will be removed on this text. Okay, we will select first this text and then go to the home tab. In the font group, simply click on italic. Italic will be removed on this text. Increase left and right indent to 1.25 and select paragraph spacing after 0 point. Okay, go to the paragraph, left and right indent to 1.25 and we will set right here left 1.25 and then right also 125. We will set indent 1.25, then simply click on OK and select the paragraph spacing after 0 point. Go to the paragraph and then after 0 point. Okay, click on OK. This is done now. The next point is that apply a double line box border with the color purple accent 4 and line width of 3 or 4 point. Apply a double line box border. Go to the paragraph group. In the borders, double line borders. Simply go to the border and shading. We will apply box double line box border. The color is purple accent 4 and line 3/4 point. Press OK. This question is done now. Next point is that shade select in text with the purple accent 4 letter 40%. Shading color row 4 column 8. Shade selected text. Go to the paragraph in the borders and then go to the border and shading group. Go to the shading and go to the colors. Purple accent letter 80%. Okay, this question is done now mostly. Sorry, last point is that delete the extra tab from formatting mark to the left of the lines containing September 4 2024. Okay, delete the extra tab formatting marks. Okay, delete the extra tab formatting marks to the left of the lines containing September 4 2024 4 p.m. and Dr. Finale. We will select this September 4 2024 extra tab formatting mark. Okay, we will remove extra tab formatting mark. Okay, simply we will remove this. Okay, Dr. Finale and dentistry office. Okay, okay, question is done now. Now we will move on question number 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. Question number 6 is that Click or position the insertion point in the paragraph following the border text, beginning with Dr. Fornelli is placed to let you know. Adjust paragraph spacing before to 6 points. Select the entire document and change the font of 12 point Bookman old style. Okay, click the click or position the insertion point in the paragraph following the border text, beginning with Dr. Fornelli is placed to let you know. Okay, adjust paragraph spacing before to 6 point. Okay, adjust the paragraph spacing, go to the paragraph and then before spacing 6 point, click on OK. This is done now. And then select the entire document and change the font to 12 point Bookman old style. Okay, select the entire document, change the font style to 12 point, go to the font group and click on 12 Bookman old style. Okay, Bookman old style, you can see here. We will go to the font style and then select Bookman old style. Okay, this is done now. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Question number 7 is that move to the end of document and insert a page break. Change paragraph spacing after to 6 point. Change the font size to 14. Okay, move to end of document. We will move to the end of document. Okay, insert a page break, go to the insert tab and then go to the page break. Okay, then change paragraph spacing after to 6 point, change the font size to 14, go to the paragraph group and then go to the home tab in the paragraph group. After spacing 6 point, simply click on OK and then go to the font size and then we will apply font size to 14. Go to the font size. Okay, you can see here I have done 70% of this assignment. For remaining question and if you want to read for the complete course, please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. I will do your all assignments, simulation training, simulation exam, midterm final exam, and I will handle your complete course. Please add me for your other courses. I am also handling many students courses like economics, Java, C++, accounting, MyLab math, MyLab accounting, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Assess. You can contact me and I will handle your complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.